Hello dear friends, I'm Elena Rugal and I invite you to crochet this beauty. It can be like an edging, or also it can be perfect to create a crown for child. This pattern consists of only one row. Here how my crown looks like. It is very easy to make, so you don't need special skills. Foundation row made of double crochet stitches. In your cases it can be single crochet, treble crochet or main pattern. For this one I choose blue color of yarn. You can choose any kind of yarn and your favorite crochet hook. Join me and let's get started crocheting. Please write comment below the video what you will get. For work you need a crochet hook 1.4 mm, a ball of 100% mercerized cotton yarn, 169 meters in 50 grams. You can choose your favorite color of yarn and kind of yarn and any crochet hook. Let's crochet the pattern. In this video you can find a pattern chart for my edging. Let's crochet the pattern. Make a chain. Pattern consists of 12 stitches. In this video you can find a chart pattern for this crown. The pattern was created by my studio. I'm going to do pattern 4 times. 48 stitches are for main pattern plus 1 chain stitch for more beautiful look. Let's crochet the foundation chain. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. I begin and you will continue by yourself. Keep working in this way till you will get the whole foundation chain. My foundation chain is ready. So let's crochet row 1. It is going to be a row of double crochet stitches. I'm working with double crochet with picot and without it. Chain 3 to bring up the yarn. 1 2 3. Then yarn over the hook and make double crochet into the 5th chain stitch away from the hook. Insert the hook into the 5th chain stitch away from the hook. Let's count 1 2 3 4 5. Everything correct. Make double crochet. Then chain 3 for the picot and work with the slip stitch into 2 loops of the double crochet. So my picot is ready. Continue double crochet into the next chain stitch. Continue double crochet with picot into the next chain stitch. Chain 3, work with the slip stitch into the loops of the double crochet. Continue working in this way till the end of this row. My row is almost ready. I did a row of double crochet stitches. Here what I have. Let's crochet the complex stitches. Make a chain. Then chain of 3 for the chain space. Now turn the work. Yarn over the hook 4 times. I hold all loops with my finger. Now I will count from this stitch, from the first. I will count from the first double crochet with picot. 1 2 3 4 5 and insert the hook into the 6th stitch of the previous row. Pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops 5 times. 1 2 3 4 5. Then chain 3 for the picot. and work with the slip stitch. Then yarn over the hook 3 times. Insert the hook into the first pair of horizontal strands. I will count from the bottom. I insert the hook into 2 loops, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops 3 times, and pull through 2 loops. In total it should be 4 times. Chain 3 for the picot, and work with the slip stitch into 2 loops of the tail stitch. Then yarn over the hook twice. Insert the hook into the first pair of horizontal strands of the previous stitch. I insert the hook into 2 loops, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops 1, 2, 3 times, chain 3 for the picot, and work with a slip stitch. Then yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the first pair of horizontal strands of the previous stitch, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops twice, chain 3 for the picot, and work with the slip stitch. My first half is ready. Yarn over the hook and work with the same pair of horizontal strands. Make double crochet. I begin the second half. Chain 3 for the picot and work with a slip stitch into 2 loops. Let's stop and look at my first half. Now I'm working with this side. Now I continue working on my edge or crown. Yarn over the hook twice. Insert the hook into the next pair of horizontal strands. I work it with this pair before. Pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops 3 times, then chain 3 for the picot, work with a slip stitch into 2 loops of the tail stitch. Then yarn over the hook 3 times, work with the last pair of horizontal strands that we work it into, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops 4 times, and chain 3 for the picot, work with the slip stitch into 2 loops of the tail stitch. My complex stitch is almost ready. Then chain off 3 for the chain space. 1, 2, 3. I skip from this point 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and insert the hook into the 6th stitch. Make single crochet. So my edge is ready. Let's stop and look at it. It looks like a tree. This is one side. Let's look at another side. Then you should repeat. Continue working in this way till the end of this row. I will begin and you will continue by yourself. Chain off 3 for the chain space. Then yarn over the hook 4 times. I count from this stitch 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Insert the hook into the 6th stitch. Pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, chain 3 for the picot. Then you should continue working in this way till the end of this row. In total it should be 4 such trees. My row is almost ready, and now I show you how to finish my row. I insert the hook into the chain stitch in the beginning of the previous row. Make single crochet. I have already cut off the yarn and my pattern is done. This pattern consists of one row, and each complex stitch consists of 12 stitches. They are 5 stitches between each half. Let's check. Here what I have. Now I turn it, and my edge, or it can be a crown for a child, is ready. Also it can be perfect to create a cuff for your blouse. And here how it looks on my hand. Also you can use it like a choker. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, follow me in social media, and of course crochet with me and learn more. There is a chart pattern for this age in this video. And thank you so much for watching. Good luck in crafting. It was Elena Rugal. Thank you so much for crocheting with me. See you in the next video. Bye!